Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So guys, just a quick one. These upcoming videos and some videos to go forward will be sponsored to help out the channel and let me get to more and more events. So I want to welcome on board J&M Asphalt Queensland, so Johnny Oliver. So for all your asphalt needs up around Queensland, hit him up. I'll put a link in the description. Massive shout out again, Johnny. And then we've also got advanced air conditioning, so 35 years in the business around Brisbane. So if you've got any industrial air conditioning needs, so refrigeration, HVAC solutions, any large homes and businesses, once again, advanced air conditioning. So I'll put a link in the description here as well. And then a shout out to AAA Repairs And Electrical up in Gympie. Those three guys have really stepped up and helped out heaps. So the time has come. We had to pop up to High Talk because I had a couple of injector plugs or injector wiring fail. And there's my squeaky doors for those people who commented last time. You ready, Mitchie?
Yep.
A little bit of a setback, but hey.
Oh, at least it's set back now, not halfway down with a melted piston.
Better on the side, better than being on the side of the road somewhere, eh?
Yeah. Would have been interesting, 7 cylinders, how long it lasts.
Yeah, it didn't feel good to drive up,
No,
that's for sure.
No. Might have saved on fuel.
Well, we shall see what this trip brings. So
Yeah.
here we go.
Looking forward to it.
See if the car starts. Yoo, that's a win. What do you reckon, Mitchie?
Yeah,
Not a bad day for a drive.
well it's been actually. Absolute win. Overcast, nice and cool.
Yeah, a little bit of a fuel vaporizing issue while we're cruising, but that's nothing new for this thing. So we're just
Just means it's more economical.
running on an oily rag.
Smell of an oily rag.
Smell of an oily rag. Oh, we did a bit of a driver change, pulled over, put a bit more fuel in it just to see if that would cool things down, but the lines are pretty warm, although everything's running pretty cool because the outside temp's not too bad now. 30 degrees air temps, that's not too bad. It was nearly 40 up at Gold Coast there. But yeah, we're a couple of hours into the drive, so that's kind of where this thing starts to get a little bit heat soaked. But we'll just keep cruising and
Yeah.
make the best of it. What's this big donger thing hanging out of
I'm going to lose me.
There's a vacuum, so it sucks up the bits you don't eat.
Oh, we're going to go there, mate. What do we do? Cook our own food.
I don't know, I'm confused. Can you tell me what we do? You're professional? Go there and grab all the good stuff? Yeah. Awesome, thank you.
So I guess we cook our food.
Oh, that could be trouble for you, Mitchie.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Don't know what that is. Oh, vegetables. All these little fan things. We need them for the car.
I'm at
Stressing out, Mitchie. I don't know what to do. Tamari needs help. Doesn't know how to cook. Oh, so full. Mad little feed there at Korean barbecue. We'll, so yeah, we're at Coffs Harbour. Go and put some more fuel in and keep cruising. Got a tiniest little bit of rain on the way, but like literally a few drops. Looked like we were going to get hammered, but went around us. So yeah, so far so good. I don't know what Mitchie's doing in the back there, but so Mitch made me stop at this seedy bloody rest stop. Apparently this is like one of his regular haunts.
Breakback garage special.
You look seedy as hell with those glasses on.
Seedy.
Yeah.
Bye, boys.
So we're about 30 k's outside or north of Port Macquarie. The moon's come and joined us. But yeah, it's a bloody nice night for cruising. What do you reckon, Mitchie? Keep going?
Yep.
Oh, look at all these stickies. Hey, look at all these lads who have helped out. AAA Repairs and Electrical. Hashtag AAA tuned. High Torque Performance, of course. Menace Clothing. Get yourself some mad shirts and shit. Growl Racing. Always got my back. Priority Roadworthies. Unwise Performance Parts. Surface Correction and Protection. Don't forget to jump on and we're giving away some car wash stuff at the moment. Radial Fabrications, because they got me back on the road. Carmen's Auto Trimming. I will definitely be going and seeing them in the near future to get a little bit of stuff happening. Let's Go Industries. Some more mad apparel. Willie's Wash and Wax. Keeping the HQ scene extra minty. Don't forget to like these guys. Car Culture. They're not bad. They're alright, those guys. And Brokeback Garage, don't forget. Hey? Bad Back Garage. Check out Mitchy's channel. Hey? 117 subs now.
Woohoo! Thanks, guys.
Getting there. Slowly but surely. Okay. We're back on the road if I can open this door. Mitchy's taking over again. Do you want your water back in the fridge?
Oh, no, I'm probably drinking.
Have a bit more?
Drink and drive.
Okay. Drink and drive on the heavy stuff. Time for ice cream, Mitchy.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
I want some ice cream.
Ice cream.
You want some ice cream? Oh, my legs don't work.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Why can I smell curry?
I don't let us in.
Yeah, I don't know. All the things are lit up, so
All that effort to not... to...
the golden arches. I'll wake up the neighbours.
Yep.
Bit of a line up for the old
Booperoonie.
churcheroni. What a nice little spot. What a mint little spot to pull up. Hey, could certainly camp here. How you travelling, Mitchy?
Crispy.
It's a bit chilly?
Yeah, it's nice.
Certainly you don't expect that there's going to be 40-degree days when it
No.
feels like this
No, not
in the
this
morning, eh? So we're not far out of Goulburn,
100k from Canberra.
100 bit over, 120k from
Something like that.
Canberra. The car has given us a few little weird little things along the way, but the last little stretch has done well. I had a little bit of a kip and then woke up to see some toughies cruising along, so that's pretty cool. But just let it cool down for a few minutes, not that it's hot. Put a bit of fuel in there. And all the stickers have stayed on, which is nice. We might continue on the way. Just gonna need a bath. What do you reckon, Mitchy?
Oh, yeah? I reckon you. I don't know what I reckon. It's been a
Enjoying it so far?
good night. Yeah.
Just cruising.
Love it.
Cruising's always good.
Love it.
So we are, pulled an all-nighter. Well, as I said, I got like probably 15, 20 minutes.
Oh, maybe a bit longer.
Nah, 15, 20, if that. I wake up like 20 times. Good fun. Well, we'll keep going. Are we there yet?
I know.
8 minutes away. We have made it to Canberra. Oh, don't dump me off at Duntroon.
son's got kick.
She's gonna be kicking later. Nice view. Don't know, the room certainly a little bit small, but well.
Tommy's getting practice laps in.
We'll go check out the place to be before it's the place to be. The calm before the storm. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Obviously, this is just a cruise down video. We smashed it out in 14 hours, so a lot of night driving, so didn't really get too much scenic stuff, but yeah, so first video in a series, SUMMERNATS series. It's going to be huge. Thanks for watching. See ya.